Okay, so I'm Beatrice. This is the course ISE I, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to learn in this course. Okay, so the first thing to say is ISE I is a level intermediate of English. It's lower intermediate, but it's an intermediate. In this course, you're going to prepare for the B2 exam of Trinity. This is an exam that really rates communication, so it's very important to communicate. But let's see what you're going to learn. What you're going to learn in this course is to talk about the past, so talking about things that happened or that you did in the past and describing them, so describing past actions. And then you're also going to learn to talk about the future, okay, so explaining what you think, predicting what is going to happen in the future, talking about your plans for the future, etc., and saying what your intentions are in the future. Another thing that you learn here is to talk about certainty and uncertainty. So you can be 100% sure, but sometimes you're not 100% sure. So in that case, you need to say, well, maybe, perhaps, might, things like this. So talking about things that you're not so sure about, or you're a little bit sure about. So these degrees of I'm sure, I'm not sure, certainty, uncertainty. Another thing that we're going to learn in this level is to give reasons. Why do things happen? Okay, this is very important to communicate ideas. So express your opinion and give reasons for your opinion. This is so because, or I do this too. Okay, so you're giving your opinion and you're giving reasons for your opinion. You can give examples and you can explain why something is the way it is, or why you believe something. Okay, and another point is talking about obligations. So things you have to do, things you must do, things that have to be in a certain way. Okay, and the last point for this level is you're going to be able to ask for information. Okay, so learn to ask questions in a conversation. And that's it. That's what you're going to learn about grammar, how to communicate. And then what about the topics that you're going to learn to talk about, or that you have to know how to talk about? So the topics are, when you're in the conversation, you have to be able to talk about travel, money, fashion, rules and regulations. So this goes hand in hand with the obligation. Health and fitness, so exercise, health, diet, etc. And also learning a foreign language. Okay, so that's the 6 things. You've got travel, money, fashion, rules and regulations, health and fitness, and learning a foreign language. So that's pretty much it. And the thing is, learning all the vocabulary for this and practicing the different parts of the exam that we'll see in another video. So I hope that was helpful. Bye bye.